Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good turkey drumstick. Very delicious, easy to do. Follow along with me and I'll show you what I did. Okay, I need a tablespoon of flour, a bit of onions, one teaspoon of celery stick salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of parsnip, spoon of ground sage, and then tablespoons of vegetable or olive oil. We're combine this together. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of seasoned salt with this. That should be enough right there. So these are sort of frozen, but that's okay. We're going to take some of this stuff we made and we're going to smear, just paint these real good. Brush them down. Sure we get all the onions on them. Okay, after I got the bag tied, we're going to place this into the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 2 to 3 hours until it's done. Okay, look at that. Look how good looking that turkey looks. We're going to take a bite of this piece right here. Look at that. That's hot. Very hot. Look at that. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you don't miss the episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day. Well, that's a good looking turkey.